Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at XAU-USD on the 1 hour time frame, and the chart is showing a very interesting setup. As you can see, gold is still trading inside a well-defined ascending channel, which means the overall short-term trend remains bullish. Price has already completed what looks like a 5-wave impulsive move and is now entering a consolidation phase just below a major resistance area. The first key level to watch is the 4,183 to 4,196 resistance zone. This area has rejected price before, so it will play a crucial role in determining the next move. If buyers manage to break above this resistance with strong bullish momentum and a candle close, we could see gold continue its rally toward the next major target around 4,274 to 4,284, which is also our long-term bullish target. However, if price fails to break this resistance, we may first see a healthy pullback. In that case, the 4,101 to 4,112 support zone becomes extremely important. As long as price holds above this support, the overall bullish structure remains valid, and buyers could step back in for another push higher. For swing traders, patience is the key. Wait for confirmation instead of chasing the market. A breakout above resistance could provide a fresh buying opportunity, while a rejection may offer a better entry after the pullback. Overall, the trend is still favoring the bulls, but the next few candles around resistance will decide whether gold moves directly toward new highs or takes a temporary correction first. Always remember to use proper risk management, avoid over-leveraging, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. The market will always provide new opportunities, so there's no need to rush into a trade. If you enjoyed this analysis and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily gold and forex market updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next analysis.